Step into a safer, more secure bathroom experience. Introducing Folding Handrail with call bell by PERK, your trusted and essential companion for secure and comfortable experience. Hi, my name is Ajinkya and let's dive in. Designed for stability and ease, PERK's grab bar provides the support you need while using the toilet seat. One of the best features of this handrail is that it can be flipped up and down at a 90-degree angle, thus efficaciously saving your toilet and bathroom space. But that's not all. This folding handrail is equipped with an inbuilt wireless calling bell switch, ensuring help is just a press away. This switch is located below the handrail, which can be accessed easily whenever needed. Pressing the switch will immediately ring the bell. This RF switch provides a wireless distance of up to 100 meters. Also, the bell produces a loud alarm of around 100 decibels. Speaking of technicality, it works on an AC voltage range between 90 volts to 250 volts. PERK's folding handrail is made up of PU plus high-strength stainless steel material, which is sturdy as well as durable and not easy to break. Its surface is made up of modified PP anti-slip material, which is moisture-proof, rust-proof, safe and non-slip. It is specially designed for pregnant women, elderly, people with disability and mobility issues, or for the people after surgery. It prevents them from slipping and falling, providing them a strong support. PERK's folding handrail can be installed at places like hospitals, airports, high-speed rail stations, hotels, guest house, mall, supermarket. Installation of this folding handrail can be done by following the steps shown on the screen. First, install the main base wall plate on the wall. You can install it as per your height requirement. Cover this base unit. To access and change the battery of the wireless remote switch, first remove the 3 screws from the bottom of the handrail. Remove the RF unit from inside this rail and you can replace the battery if needed. It uses a 3-volt lithium cell which can be found easily in the market. After replacing it, attach everything back together as before and insert the handrail on the rotating base and secure it with the screw. Cover it with the covering unit and your folding handrail is successfully installed. By choosing PERK's folding handrail, you are making safety as a priority for your loved ones.